Hi, my name is Vincent. I'm the head of creative content and design for the Health Impact group of companies. We specialize in corporate health and wellness, and that surfaces in multiple different ways. It can be through your occupational health medicals to ensure that your employees are fit and healthy, that there's no risk to them or the business. It can be through your executive medicals and your executive health and wellness. It could even be through mental health. But one of the other aspects and the ways that you create and cultivate an environment of health and wellness in your organization and in your employees is through content and collateral, educating them and equipping them with the tools to live a healthier life. And that's exactly what Healthy is. Healthy is our solution. It's our digital health and wellness content platform that allows us to deliver health and wellness content to our clients in a really simple, straightforward, but impactful way. Now, when we were creating Healthy, we had loads and loads of health and wellness content that we had been creating over a number of months and years. And we were trying to find the right solution to house all of that content, almost a content management system that will allow us to house that content in a very functional, easy way, and to also deliver it to our clients in a very functional, easy way. And we looked at different options. We even looked at building our own in house system, which would have taken a long time and would come with lots of other problems in terms of maintaining it over the long run. And then I came across FuseBase. And what I really liked about FuseBase was that FuseBase had these two components. They had a back end that allowed us to update and maintain the content internally, but then it also allowed us to reflect that content as in a nice, easy to use user interface to the client. And that's exactly what you're seeing here. This is the user interface. This is the portal that our clients see when they log into Healthy. We load all of the content from a back-end point of view, and this is how they view it. Now, what you're seeing is the sort of landing page and the home page, and this is completely customizable. And this is what I really loved about the platform and around FuseBase. It's robust, it's integrated with multiple different other applications and solutions, but it's very customizable. You can make it look and feel like your company and your brand. You can also customize all of these buttons on the home page. And what I'm going to take you through is a bit of a breakdown on how we decided to approach it, how we've done it, and how we felt it works best for our clients. Now, ultimately, the header at the top here is fully customizable. You can edit all the buttons at the top here. You can add multiple different links. You can change the logo. You can add in search bars. We've decided to add in a couple of buttons over here that brings you to different categories within Healthy. We've broken our portal up into a couple of different categories based on health and wellness, being body, nutrition, mind and soul, safety, any videos that we do, like webinars or video recordings or interviews that we do with clients, as well as all of our social media links. All of these links over here is also broken down in a sort of menu, expandable, collapsible menu on the left-hand side here. So all of that is quite customizable and very robust. Further down, you can also integrate different sort of visuals. We decided to build an annual health calendar. This was just an idea we had, and we wanted to try and bring our portal to life. So we created an annual health and wellness calendar that gives you sort of the really important health and wellness dates throughout the calendar year. And it's broken down by month. We decided to give our health calendar a theme. We focused on the 12 major vitamin groups. And every month focuses on a vitamin group, and we've kind of linked that back to our campaign. So we've been able to take collateral and content that we created with a theme and an idea, and we've integrated that and embedded that into the platform as well. So you can see it's very robust and very versatile, and it's all interactive. You can switch between the different months, so you can move over and look at different aspects of it. You can also integrate like hyperlinks and things like that. So it's quite nice if you've got some really nice ideas in terms of embedding other tools and platforms. FuseBase accommodates for that, which is really nice. Furthermore, post this and you scroll down a little further, we've added another page, which is all of our recently featured health and wellness content articles. So here we've done a content on mental health. From the head down is what it's called. Everything starts at the top and impacts the rest. So it gives you quite a nice visual. For every campaign, we've created a banner that gives you a nice visual, impactful view around what this campaign is about. And every button is clickable. So if we click on this button here, it'll take us directly to that campaign. And you'll see what happens is that campaign actually lives under the mind category. And you've got other topics within that. So as I said, it's expandable and collapsible. It tells you that we're currently on that campaign right now. And all of this is editable as well with multiple different types of embeds and tools as well. We decided to structure our portal in this way. We just felt that this would work best for us and our clients. But depending on sort of how you want to structure it, as I've said, it's quite versatile and robust. But to give you a bit of a sense on how we've structured it, we've got these expandable, open and collapsible buttons here that allows you to open up, the articles. So every piece of campaign or every campaign that we run has got a poster, a leaflet, an article, and that's all. You can open it, you can download it over there. You've got health nuggets, you've got infographics. And what's quite nice is you can also tag every page with some keywords. And I'll show you how handy this is in a moment, because on the landing page, you can actually do a search function to look for certain keywords. So maybe if we just head back to home over here, you could actually do it right there and then. If I maybe wanted to search the word stress, and we just go over here and we search the word stress, it will bring up a couple of different topics. So here, any sort of campaign that's got the word stress linked to it, we can find it over there. And if we click on it, it takes us straight to the campaign. So what's quite nice is everything is linked within the portal. You can add tags and you can search for it, and you can, add keywords and things like that. You can add in images, you can embed videos. There's, expandable and collapsible text like this. So this is sort of how we've decided to structure it. Over and above that, what we've also decided to do is we've given every single category an index page. So in every category, we've got an index page that references all the other topics below it. So you can almost use this as a guide on seeing what are the topics within this particular category. So as you scroll down, you've got an image for each one, and all of these links are clickable. So you can scroll down, and if you find something that really interests you, all you do is you click on the read more, and it'll take you directly to that article. From there, it will load everything up. You can simply change to a different article over here, and you can go maybe to wake up call. Maybe that's quite interesting. You want to find out a little bit more around what that is. That's a campaign that we did around sugar and diabetes and eating a little bit healthier. So quite robust, nice and integrated, easy to navigate, easy to use. That's exactly what you want to do. We thought of this from a website point of view. When you log onto a website, you want to try and get to your destination in as little clicks as possible. Easy to navigate, easy to move around. Everything's quite visual and user friendly. And that's kind of the point of view that we built sort of our platform from. Just going back to home quickly, just to show you these categories over here. These are also all clickable. So if I click on nutrition, it takes me straight to my nutrition index, and I can see all the different articles that I have within the nutrition index, and I can change them over here as well. The other great function that I quite like is that you can continuously keep on updating this. So it's all real time. As you update it and you push and publish the changes, it goes straight away to the platform, which is quite nice and a really neat function. The other great thing that I really like is the video function. So we've been able to embed all of our webinars that we run for our clients into our portal. So here you can see the different sort of webinars that we've run. And if you go click watch now, it'll bring you actually to the webinar itself. And we've embedded the short code and video into the actual website itself. So if you click on play here, you'll actually be able to watch the webinar itself. So very robust, very versatile. Absolutely love the platform. And over and above the platform, the team at FuseBase have also been incredible. From our very first meeting, they had all the major sort of key stakeholders and decision makers in our meeting to ensure that they could try and accommodate and find the right solution for us. And there were even some questions and queries that we had. Could the platform, can it do this? Can it do that? And they actually went and sort of, built that into their development plan for us. So they're continuously evolving. They're adding new and new features all the time. All of it is quite customizable. The customer service has been amazing. Every time we've had a query or a problem, we send it and we get a reply almost within the day. So the team is very proactive in that regard. They've been very hands-on and very involved. And what's even greater was that the first few steps of trying to build our platform, they actually helped us with building the platform. They put it all together. We gave them a bit of a mind map and a blueprint of what we're looking for. They built sort of the framework for us and put it all together. And all we went in and did was we just customized it thereafter. So the platform is really easy to use once you get the hang of it. The team is amazing from from a customer service point of view, and I highly recommend them. So if that's been sort of a nice eye opener for you and you like what you're seeing, I would highly recommend reach out to the team, let them know what you're thinking about, what you're trying to do, and I'm almost sure that they can put a bit of a solution together for you. Thanks a lot. All the best.